Installation is very simple. Through the pin interface, it is non-destructive docking and just needs to be connected, which is very simple. Long press the fifth on the right, and the front passenger seat move forward. Double-click to lock the rear windows. Long press the sixth one, and the seat can move backward. Double-click for battery preheating. The seventh button, a single click can switch the trunk. The eighth one, a single click can switch the reading lights, and a double-click can fold the rearview mirror. One click pop open for the front door, the rear doors, bringing great convenience for your family and friends. Single click to open the glove box, open the front trunk. The just right capacity can just place your portable items. The silicone pad make you don't need to worry about any abnormal sounds. There is also a hidden fixed position for ETC at the rear. To realize these functions, only this one small black box is needed. Integrating all the hidden functions of Tesla into the storage box under the screen is really very practical. All positions where the storage box contacts the interior have been softened. The middle hollowed out part will not block the sensor either. Push it into the back of the screen from right to left, and it can be firmly fixed. The RBS material is carefully selected. Both the shape and the color are very consistent with the interior of Tesla.